to unignore messages on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video of 1-2 step. If you have ignored someone on Messenger and you're trying to unignore them again, then in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. Now before I move on and show you, subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more daily videos. With that said, let's get straight into it. Open up your Messenger app and then tap on the three lines that you see on the top left. From this menu, tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now from this menu under preferences, you'll be able to see an option called privacy and safety. Tap on this option and you'll land on this section again, and under who can reach you, you can see message delivery, restricted accounts and blocked accounts. Head over to the second option and you'll be able to see all of the people that you've ignored or restricted. Now to simply unignore them, just tap open the names and their chats will open up. You just need to tap on unrestrict. Now as soon as you do that, that person's chat will appear on the chat section and they'll be able to see that you're online, and you'll receive all of the notifications of the messages that they send. So that was a quick video on how to unignore messages on Messenger. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.